Solve 21x cube minus 67x square plus 36 equal to 0. Here they told us to solve, which means we should get the values of x. For that, here we have to change the x square term. What I mean is, see, 21x cube in place of minus 67x square. Now we should write minus 18x square minus 49x square plus 36 equal to 0. This is your step 1. Next, from these two terms, what can be taken out common is 3x square. So here we get 7x minus, from this 3x square out you get 6. In the same way, what can be taken out common from these two terms is minus 1. Here you get 49x square and here you get minus 36 equal to 0. Now this quadratic, I will factorize it here or simplify, that is 49x square minus 36 equal to, in place of 49 now you write 7 square x square minus, in place of 36 now you write 6 square. So 7 square x square can be written as 7x whole square minus 6 square. The reason for us to change this to this form is, now on this we should apply the formula a square minus b square, that is a minus b times a plus b. So in place of a 7x, in place of b 6. So we get 7x minus 6, 7x plus 6. Now in place of this quadratic, we should write this over here. So this equation now becomes 3x square 7x minus 6 minus 1, in place of this 1, 7x minus 6, 7x plus 6 equal to 0. Now from this entire equation, what can be taken out common is 7x minus 6. So 7x minus 6 outside. Over here we are left with 3x square. And over here we are left with these two. That is minus 1 times 7x plus 6 equal to 0. Now 7x minus 6, 3x square. Here you open up the brackets in this way. You get minus 7x minus 6 equal to 0. Now this quadratic, I will factorize it here. That is 3x square minus 7x minus 6. To factorize this, we should split the middle term, minus 7x. So in place of minus 7x, now I write minus 9x plus 2x minus 6. Next, what can be taken out common from these two terms is 3x. So here you get x minus, from this 3x out you get 3. Whatever we got here, here also we should get the same thing. From this x gone inside, so outside you get plus 2. Even if you multiply and check, still you get the same thing. Now take out x minus 3 common. So here you have 3x and here plus 2. Now in place of this quadratic, we should write this over here. So this equation will become 7x minus 6, in place of this one, x minus 3 3x plus 2 equal to 0. More. They told us to solve, which means we should get the values of x, and over here we got product of brackets equal to 0. So to get x values we should equate each bracket to 0. That is 7x minus 6 equal to 0, x minus 3 equal to 0, 3x plus 2 equal to 0. Now to get x value from here we should remove minus 6. So add 6. You get 7x equal to 6. Now we should remove 7, so divide by 7. We get x equal to 6 by 7. Now here we should remove minus 3, so you add 3. You get x equal to 3. Now here first we should remove plus 2, so subtract 2. You get 3x equal to minus 2. Now we should remove 3, so divide by 3. You get x equal to minus 2 by 3. So the x values that we got are 6 by 7, 3 and minus 2 by 3. This is our answer.